So let's have a small introduction about the sections ahead of us. Why email marketing? Why not other channels or social medias? There are a lot of powerful channels out there and social medias out there that can help us promote our product or do advertising and whatever we want to do. Why email marketing? What's the difference here? Now, it's very important. For example, if you use a platform like Facebook or Instagram, because there are so many content there, people are just uploading, posting things there. What these platforms are doing is that they will filter what you will see. So for you as a user, these platforms will only show you the things that you are more likely want to see them, okay? But on email, there is no filter, okay? 99.9% of the emails that you send to people, they will receive it, okay? Now, it is up to you to make it more interesting or attractive to grab your listener, your reader's attention, and then bring them inside your email. That is a totally different story. But your users, your subscribers, will receive your mail. It is something that on other platforms like Instagram, like Facebook, they get filtered. So what do we have on the sections ahead of us? First of all, we have two main sections here. One of them, the first one, during the first one, we will learn the main tool for email marketing, which is Mailchimp. It is a very powerful mail service here. We will learn how to set up an account there, how the basics of email marketing, how to create an email list, tips and tricks to improve our email list, how to build sign-up forms, and create campaigns, autoresponders, and so on, analytics reports. And on the next section, I will talk about the psychology of email marketing, how you can send an email to attract people, to convince them that, all right, I want you to buy this product, come and buy my product. How you can convince them to do that? First of all, how you can grab their attention so they come and click on your mail, okay? These are all very critical and important things, tips, tricks that you must learn if you want to get good at email marketing, all right? So more or less, these are what we have ahead of us. And on the next lecture, we are going to learn a couple of important rules, which they are the fundamental of email marketing, and you must always remember them if you want to become successful at email marketing. We will talk about them on the next lecture.